Hey everyone, what's going on? Eli here from Deep Discounts Club. Today I'm bringing you a look at this Monkrict portable refrigerator. As you can see, it's got two compartments. It's got a bigger freezer compartment, so you just want to put ice in there and keep your stuff cool. And then you've also got a smaller fridge compartment. So taking a closer look, you can see that this is just a lot shallower of a compartment, whereas the freezer is a lot deeper. You can fit plenty of wine bottles in here. You can fit plenty of water bottles, plenty of cans, and you can put all your kind of drinks on the left side, and then you can put like vegetables, stuff for a picnic, maybe sandwiches up here on this right side. And the nice thing is it's got one temperature control for the freezer, and that also adjusts the temperature of the fridge section. So it's super easy to use. You've just got this plus and minus here to go ahead and adjust the temperature. Then you've also got an eco mode, and you've got a fast cooling mode that you can switch using this gear button right here. You can also have battery protection modes based on what kind of use you're using this with. So you set to low or medium if you're using this with like a battery backup. But if you're using it just like plug straight into your car, which it comes with this nice cable right here to do that, then you set that on to high battery protection. And then you got the power button right here, super simple right there. Here is the plug. You've of course got these vents here to let out the heat. And then you've got these two handles on the side, makes this very easy for carrying, not too heavy at all. I'm gonna go ahead and show you what this looks like plugged in. So currently it is inside the truck. Everything's working great. And it is plugged in right there to the cigarette lighter. And you can go ahead and adjust the temperature right here. So that's in Fahrenheit currently. You can switch it to Celsius if you want by holding this down and then going through the settings. Here is a look at the app control. As you can see, you can adjust the temperature super easily, and you get audio feedback from the fridge letting you know that it has adjusted pretty instantaneously. You can even switch between Fahrenheit and Celsius right there. Eco mode, like I mentioned, there's those battery protection modes, so you can control everything straight from your phone. Taking a look here, just using this indoors, it can be plugged into a normal outlet, and that allows you to use this with a generator, use this indoors, use this anywhere you got an extension cord. Maybe the campsite has a hookup. This is perfect for that. You can hear it working, temperature's dropping. So just taking a look at these compartments here, you can see it's got these nice temperature seals, make sure that none of that warm air is coming into here. Pop this off if you want to drain out any water out of that freezer section, so that's super easy. And then just for size reference, this is a 1 liter bottle and fits pretty much across. Looks like you can fit like almost 4 of those, and then height wise you can fit at least 3 of them, maybe even 4 that way. And then here's that fridge compartment. You can still fit in many of your things you need for a picnic or such. And then just looks super premium as well. So overall, I highly recommend this ice chest slash freezer slash refrigerator for camping, outdoors, picnics, beach, summertime. It's just what you need. Thanks for watching.